One thing I've learned living on this earth is that life isn't measured by time, it's measured by moments, and I try to treasure every single moment. This particular morning I woke up very early because the day before was just a little chaotic, and since I was well rested, I thought I'd give you guys a little peek into my daily routine. Just got off the phone with Otis and my son to make sure they got to work okay. I'll never stop being that mom and that wife. This mini lamp is my latest obsession. It's USB, and when I tell you I have them all over our home, they're all over. I even have them in our RV, and I will be sharing some spring decor in our RV very soon. Speaking of the RV, I am planning content for a brand that we are collaborating with. I can't tell you just yet, but I can tell you it's going to be at a beautiful luxury RV resort, and I can't wait to share it. So be sure to follow us over on Glamping with the Coopers so you don't miss it. If you're looking for effortless cleaning tools, you're in the right place. I like to thank Dreame for their continued support of my channel. I shared their Dreame cordless stick vacuum in another video, and if you'd like to see if it's the right vacuum for you, I'll link it down below. I am so excited to share their Dreame H14 Pro Wet and Dry Mop Vacuum. It is simply next level amazing. There's an easy to read quick start guide as soon as you open the box. Packaging is always on point. Instruction manual as well as some accessories. You get a cleaning brush, spare roller, cleaning solution, replacement filter, and even the charging base. Here's the main body. I love the slim design, which makes it easy to store, and the handle. This is your install. One click and you're done. There's 2 tanks, a clean and used water. I am adding water to the clean along with a capful of the cleaning solution. A little goes a long way, you guys, trust me. I'm that girl who mops every week, but the dirt that came off my floors were, ugh, just keep watching, you'll see. The tech is so on point. There's several different modes. There's auto mode, suction mode, ultra, and custom. First question everyone wants to know is how much runtime? 40 whole minutes. That's important because you don't want to stop to charge in the middle of cleaning. I know I don't. There is a suction adjustment, smart energy use, and auto solution dispensing. It also has intelligent sensor that automatically adapts to the power of the mess that it comes into. This is such a fun feature to me. If you see the light is like a solid green, that means light dirt. Orange means medium dirt. Red is heavy dirt. Whether you have pet hair or crumbs, the H14 Pro will have you over the moon satisfied with its performance. LED lit brush head that will brighten up dark spaces, allowing you to notice and scrub away the dirt in less visible areas, day or night. And the unique glide wheel power system uses on the 2 rear wheels to help you effortlessly glide backwards, replicating the smooth feel you had moving forward. I can't say enough about H14. It can even get up to the edge of the baseboards and walls, and the brush suctions everything super close with one pass. The way this Dreame H14 Pro sucks up hair is amazing. Take a look. The omnidirectional wheel is 180-degree biometric design, can reach in imaginable places, and it will not scratch your floor. 180-degree lie flat reach is a game changer. It can conquer stains under low furniture. H14 Pro hugs the floor seamlessly, fitting into small spaces. Plus, its rotating axis allows it to maneuver effortlessly. The Omni wheel on the back keeps the back surface scratch-free and reducing lifting fatigue. When you're finished cleaning, place the H14 back to the base station for some charging and some serious deep cleaning. Dreame is standing on business with its PTC system that quickly heats clean water to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Celsius to dissolve grime, oil stains, and chocolate sauce as your brush spins clean. Listen to how the hot air consistently flows, moving moisture while protecting the brush fibers. I'm that girl who mops every week, but the dirt that comes off my floors I think it's just dust that makes the water looks like this because there's no way. The easy to empty filter container separates solid dirt from liquid waste, making the final cleanup quick and convenient. I'll be sure to leave a link to Dreame H14 Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum in my description. That's Florida for you. 1 minute it's raining, the next minute it's here comes the sun. Of course, it started raining after I get the truck washed. No trace of rain. Heading to my favorite grocery store, have to stock up on some staples. The majority of the time I cook our meals fresh, but life has been lifing lately, and time hasn't really been on my side. Most of what I'm getting from Joe's is for our home, some for our RV. Prepared meals just makes it easy for me when we're on the go. Here's a life hack that will save you time and money. Go to the grocery store before going shopping to the home store. You won't be long because you have food in the car. Squirrel, this is not what I came here for, but I did get one of these beauties, and of course it's blue. Be sure that your notification bell is on so you don't miss out to see where I'm putting it. I've been looking for an ottoman, you guys, for our RV Big Lucy, but it's not just any ottoman, something with storage. I actually found one that's perfect for her, so be sure to follow me on our travel channel at Glamping with the Coopers. I love me some Trader Joe's, y'all, but I don't love the 25-minute drive from our home, so when I'm across town shopping, I'll always stop in to grab a few things. Share that with you guys. Gonna get rid of these groceries and try to start something for dinner. Otis and I are empty nesters, and I don't have to make an elaborate meal like I did when our kids were younger, so that's a plus. But it's been so hot lately here in Florida, and I just don't want to eat heavy. Do you live in a climate, or do you ever feel that way when it's super hot that you just don't want to eat? And that's how I've been feeling lately. Oh, the fun doesn't just stop here. You can follow me and Otis over on our travel channel at Glamping with the Coopers. I'm sharing how I've given our home on wheels some luxurious glamping must-haves that you can implement in your very own home as well. It's filled with things I need and things I didn't know I needed. Hope to see you over there.